Ever wonder how simple words can capture a lady's heart? Think of being able to create a deep emotional bond and reignite the spark of desire with the right choice of words. In fact, the way you speak and express yourself holds incredible power. If used right, your words can touch her heart, awaken her emotions, and make her yearn for more all this without ever crossing the line to being vile. In this video, we'll explore how the emotional power of words can make a woman feel seen, appreciated, and deeply connected to you. I'll share 3 categories of phrases that, when used at the right moments, can captivate her mind and heart. The emotional power of words. It is no hidden truth that women connect profoundly in an emotional way, and words are a super medium in instilling that connection. But it's not about using pickup lines or meaningless flattery that is cheap. It has to do with saying things that resonate emotionally and engender curiosity and true value. Think about this. What if you could say something so meaningful that she keeps it on her mind for the rest of the day? Words that will create intrigue, build emotional intimacy, and stir a little mystery might act like a magnet and attract her to you. Let's dive into this. 1. Phrases that spark curiosity. One of the easiest ways to get her attention and create a sense of excitement is by using phrases that spark her imagination and build anticipation. Women are naturally drawn to curiosity. It keeps them intrigued and wanting more. Here are a few examples you can use to create that irresistible sense of anticipation. Tonight, I have something special planned for you. I've been thinking about you all day. I can't wait to see you. These ones work because they are open-ended. They keep her wondering about what is in store and instill a sense of being craved and wanted. The more she wonders, the more emotionally attached she becomes to you. 2. Phrases that make her feel special. Every woman wants to feel valued, unique, and irreplaceable. When you use phrases that show her how important she is in your life, it strengthens the emotional bond between you. Compliments are great, but heartfelt words that show her she holds a special place in your heart are even more powerful. Try saying things like, "You are the only one who makes me feel this way. Every second with you feels like a dream." These phrases are not just compliments. They're declarations of how much she means to you. It is only when she feels truly cherished that she will feel connected to you. 3. Phrases that show intimacy. Building a sensual connection doesn't require bold or explicit language. In fact, subtle and respectful phrases can be far more effective in creating desire and emotional intimacy. The key is to communicate physical and emotional closeness in a way that feels natural and genuine. For example, "I love the way your body fits perfectly with mine. When I'm close to you, everything else disappears." These words create a safe and inviting space where she feels desired, appreciated, and comfortable. They show her that your connection is both emotional and physical, and this duality is what truly deepens attraction. Final thoughts. Words have the magic to create chemistry, ignite desire, and leave a long-lasting impression. However, the magic lies in being sincere. It is only when you use these phrases at the right moments with genuine intent that you can turn ordinary conversations into unforgettable experiences. Imagine this now. Now imagine if you have a guide to crafting magnetic messages that instantly create desire and emotional intimacy. Your words can turn ordinary moments into magic moments she would never forget. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.